We need Kylie.
What? Oh, he's got the cam going.
Yeah, I know, I saw it.
So I guess this is not bat friendly.
No. No.
Well, look at all the Cubans, I guess.
Well, here's what we need Kylie for.
Want to get in there?
She's the smallest.
Thank you. The love.
Okay, go in deeper, Jay.
Don't worry, I'll pay you back later.
Watch your head, though.
Put my flash on though. No, I don't.
Trish found a bench.
Nice.
Oh, she's not on the bench. Shit.
Really? That's what I got with my flash on.
Oh, there you are.
Ah, yes. I just moved over to the shade.
This is cool.
Wow. There's the entrance.
Are we allowed to go in?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. You're gonna have to crawl on your hands and knees, though, I think. 9. All right.
Who's going in?
No fires, it says.
Who's going in?
I love how you look at me. He knows, eh?
9.
He's like,
Travel toward the origin. The sand was accumulated in different layers, sealed with
Yep.
salts, and the one it collides and became everything solid rock. Then the sea created internal galleries, refuges for mammals like bats and you. When the rain surprises you, let's go. When it's raining, you can go in here. Let's go.
Holy shit.
It's not raining.
Your bag haircut?
Yeah.
You got a flashlight, like the camera, or is it light enough?
It's light.
Can you turn the flash on when you do video?
Yeah. Cap still stays on. In this episode of Lost Caves, never to be seen again, the 3 lost children. This is sick. This is cool. Get them up there, baby. Yeah, I'm just getting a little. Oh yeah. Kylie, don't do that. Oh look, there's another thing. Does that go anywhere?
no. Yeah, well, I don't know. Let's go look.
Good. Look at here. Come on. There's a fucking hole up there. Those are big ones. Holy fuck. God. Come here. Way more. No, big ones. How many adults? Walk a little closer. Fuck that. There's other people. Is there anything down there? I'm not gonna find out. Kai, check your left.
Smells like weed.
It's big time in there. Send the girl.
That's the best thing.
Okay, you know what? Nothing? That's crazy. Hi, guys. Just talking to people. So many little entrances and everything, eh?
Can't tell if it's rock or bad.
I know.
Is it worth it crouching and getting dirty?
Yeah.
Okay.
We saw some nice big ones, right?
Like the whole family is there. I'm kind of scared.
You know what? They kind of move, but they just, it's daytime. Oh, they're still in there. Yes.
We're back.
Oh my God.